Welcome back, adventurers beyond passports. Today we're going to be doing a magnet video for Magnetic Memories. We recently took a trip to Vancouver, as you can see. I picked up some magnets, so I'll show you what we got. So we got a little orca whale. Pretty cool. It's just a little, like a ceramic kind of material. Then we got Vancouver, Canada. May the forest be with you. So obviously a little take on Star Wars there, but yeah, it was pretty cool. It was only $6. I was like, yeah, might as well, you know. And then we got this one. It's a Did You Know About the Gastown steam clock? If you haven't been to Gastown, go down there if you can. It was on sale for $3 and check out the steam clock. There will be a video on the channel about the steam clock. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. It goes off every 15 minutes for small intervals and a longer interval every half an hour of steam that goes out. So this says Gastown Steam Clock. Did you know, built in 1977 by orologist Raymond Saunders as a tourist attraction in the Gastown district of Vancouver, the clock is modeled on an 1875 design. Saunders captured the steam used to heat downtown buildings and put it to use to power the clock. The largest of 5 whistles sounds the hour, and 4 smaller whistles play the quarter hours. Glass side panels allow the viewers to watch the mechanism at work. No trip to Gastown is complete without a visit to see, hear, and photograph this famous clock. Very, very, very true. I've been to Gastown numerous times now, and every single time I have to go down and see the clock. And then we've got this little fun one. Welcome, Canada. Obviously, you have Mountie in the background there with a beaver. And I always think the little beavers have a mustache with this, but maybe that's just me. And then the final one to round out this video is going to be this beauty magnet. It's a $100 bill with a moose on it. No, Canadian money does not have a moose on the $100 bill. Although they do say taste, well, probably taste too, but it does smell like maple. I think when they first came out, they had a little bit of like a maple syrupy smell, but that might have just been my placebo effect kicking in. But they are pretty tear resistant. Yeah, there you go. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the other content on the channel. And comment if you've been to Gastown and what you thought of it, or to Vancouver. Thank you, and stay adventurous.